Hey guys, welcome back. So we're pretty much ready to style this playlist section now, but there's one more thing we need to do before we style it, and that's just to make a link out of these, so that when we click on it, it will take us to the playlist page for that playlist. So let's go back to our text editor, go back to yourmusic.php, and all we're going to do is put our link attributes into this grid view item div. So right at the top there, in the grid view item div, just put role equals link, like that. Tab index equals 0. So this is our accessibility stuff. And then we'll say on click equals open page, like that. And then all we need to do is pass the page in there. And the page is going to be playlist.php, which we haven't created yet, but we will. And then we're just going to pass the ID as a parameter in the URL. So in order to put a string in here, we have to put quotation marks around it. And because we've used double quotes here and then single quotes here, we need to cancel out our double quotes. So let's put a backslash double quote, like that. And then put the page name, which is playlist.php. And then parameter, so question mark, ID equals, and then we need the ID of our playlist, which we can use our playlist class to output. So we're going to split the string up. So put double quotes in there. Okay, I'll put my other double quotes there. So I've split this string and I'm putting my dots in there to allow it to concatenate. And in there, just put playlist arrow get ID, like that. So playlist get ID. So we've split the string up here and we've also split it here to put it back. All right. And all we have to do is put this last quotation mark on that we've cancelled out. So after this quote mark, backslash, and then one more quotation mark, like that. All right. And if you want to stop it going all the way that way, you can just bring this on, click onto a new line if you really want to. Okay, so save that. And then now when we click on this, or we hover over I should say, you'll see the mouse changes to a pointer cursor because it's a link. And if I just inspect element real quick, just to show you the console, if I click on these, we're going to get an error message because the playlist file doesn't exist. But just so you know it's working, playlist.php ID 1 and this one playlist.php ID 2. So we're getting these errors because we haven't actually created this page yet. But that's fine, the link works.